Imagine the delightful aroma of freshly baked pizza wafting through your home. Making pizza from scratch not only fills your kitchen with warmth, but also allows you to craft a personalized culinary masterpiece. With just a few simple ingredients and steps, you can enjoy homemade pizza that rivals your favorite pizzeria. The process begins with the dough, the foundation of any great pizza. Combine flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt in a bowl, stirring until a rough dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface until it becomes smooth and elastic, showcasing its strength. Allow it to rise in a warm place covered with a damp cloth for about an hour. This step is crucial as it gives the yeast time to work its magic, resulting in a fluffy, tender crust. Once the dough has risen, it's time to bring your kitchen to life with creativity. Preheat your oven to a sizzling temperature, ensuring a perfect cook. Roll the dough out on a floured surface, shaping it into your desired size and thickness. Transfer the rolled dough onto a baking sheet or pizza stone. The anticipation builds as you envision the toppings that will adorn your creation. Now comes the fun part, layering your pizza with flavor. Start by slathering a rich tomato sauce over the base, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top, allowing it to melt gently in the oven while developing a golden, bubbly texture. Next, unleash your imagination with toppings, from pepperoni slices to fresh basil, or even adventurous options like artichokes or olives. Each topping adds its unique personality, enhancing the overall flavor. As your pizza bakes, your senses will awaken to a symphony of savory scents. Keep an eye on it, letting it transform into a delectable golden masterpiece. In about 12 to 15 minutes, you'll witness the magic as the cheese bubbles and browns, and the crust turns irresistibly crispy. Once out of the oven, let your pizza cool slightly before slicing. This moment builds anticipation. Each cut reveals layers of melted cheese and savory toppings. Serve it hot, maybe with a side of homemade dipping sauce or a fresh salad. Gather loved ones around the table and share in the joy of your pizza, celebrating the delicious flavors you've created. Making pizza at home is not just a meal. It's an experience that brings people together, creating delicious memories in every bite.